Hello and welcome to Knit in the Moon Designs, where we do all of your left-handed knitting tutorials. And this week we are on episode 8 of our beginner knitting series, and we are going to do knit two together. So this usually looks like K2TOG. That's what you will see it as. So let's get started. This is a decrease stitch. We've been doing increase stitches. This is a decrease stitch. You're going to take 2 stitches and make it 1. And this is how we're going to do that. So these are the next 2 stitches on our needle. And we're going to go into them both knitwise. Wrap around and come through. And that makes those 2 stitches 1. So let's show that to you again. So the next 2 stitches, you knit into both stitches at the same time. And now you have 2 stitches that became 1. Let's do that one more time. Put the needle into both stitches, wrap around, pull through and off the needle. Now you have 2 stitches that have become 1. And that is how you do the knit 2 together stitch. I hope this was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure you like, subscribe, and send this to a friend if you think they could use this as well. Happy knitting!